Pussy coulda begin, coulda tense up. Listen this. A bad me, bad me, bad, bad, bad. A bad me, bad me, bad, bad. Me go any, me go fly.
A bad me, bad, 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 bad. More here.
Tense up, listen this. A bad me, bad, bad. A bad me, bad, bad. Me go any.
A bad me, bad, bad. Or a bad me, bad. But nah laugh, me I try to get it, but I really know me I try to understand what I'm saying. But go through.
We go fly the people.
BaAD! People, the second name BaAD! Viral video! Aidonia! People, big up on yourself. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Thanks for commenting on my videos. If you don't see the name, comment on this video to see the name in the next video. It's been a boy, Ty. Now we're gonna react to my father. BaAD! Viral video now. Is it me I say? People, go see what I go on. Ready, run it.
BaAD.
Chop off one out already.
BaAD.
Them dead. Wow. Wow, wait. You don't know so we love chat and talk over things. Right now, see the pretty video right now, them are banned on that boy. Them just capture a boy this, you know. So them are deal with him case wicked, you know. You see me? Them tie him up, you know. Them bag him head, you know. You see me? You know, we have to the zinc fence pretty, you know. I guess me, I say like a madness, you know. But anyways, I like it. You can see what go on now. Ready?
Lift up the 15, make me walk go murder them.
Wow.
R.I.P. 9 ball. Tabel like a pencil. She got her pressy chankle. Catchy tempo.
Whoa.
Kick a Shevchenko.
Yo, I who miss Aidonia vibes, dog? Who miss Aidonia voice to the thing, dog? Yo, like, him jaw the last, every time, after every punch, anything. Jaw the word, BaAD. Oh, what's I must have? What song said? You think go, yeah. Fast, Lord, I don't remember the song. Ooh, Lord, God. Ready.
Apprentice, should you make a devil temp you? And up in mentor, me dash in a demi's temple. Can't help you, Gary Revy Maki left so in a dem head so. Me find anywhere you there, he could have fence up.
Wow.
He could have begin, could have tense up.
Well, lyrics are chop too much. Go back a little bit. Wipe and go back argument. But lyrics are chop more. You must ready.
Demi's temple, can't help you, Gary Revy Maki left so in a dem head so.
Yeah.
Me find anywhere you there, he could have fence up.
Man, say man go find it anywhere there, youth. It could have fence up. Youth, in a ramp with the thing. Youth. Welcome back, Mr. Aidonia. Now deal with the place. Wicked. Run it now.
Pussy coulda begin, coulda tense up. Listen this. A bad me, bad. A bad me, bad. Me go any, me go fly.
A bad. More here.
Tense up, listen this. A bad me, bad. A bad me, bad. Me go any.
A bad me, bad. Or a bad me, bad. But nah laugh, me I try to get it, but I really know me I try to understand what I'm saying. But go through.
We go fly the people. Rifle of work and a nice up your black.
No.
A bad me, bad.
You
A
tell me
bad me,
But hold on, you hear the man say? Rifle and a nice up the wall. Hold on, more you hear man say. Ready?
Rifle of work and a nice up your black.
Rifle of work and a nice up the black.
Bad. A bad me, bad. Me go any, we go fly the people.
Bad. Me go anyway, go fly up the BaAD. That him say? He don't know, better that. It better be that though. Anyway, me see some. Drink some more water. Ready? BaAD. Run it.
Rise up his trap. R.I.P. 9 ball. The one with the pink tip. She got me silk it, the ting tick. In a job, one tea fly out your chin ship. Feed them badness, a muggle in a big jeep. Go a badness, a black mark X me tilt it. With the right.
You see me I say? You man gonna pull up in a one black tinted bar kicks in a yacht. So the car black, the glass black, you can't say nothing cause I be a black man then that in a yacht. You see me I say? Be a black man with a be black rifle and matic in that in the youth. You see me, I say, you can't see me pull up in my black Mark X in the youth. Anything on your ends are gonna get bombed done in the youth. That man make you know in the youth. Earn it.
If you dig up a place like Hilti, roll up like a bill spliff. Boy head coulda tough like stone where Bill Brick is still split. 17 for the think it, she got work it a pour them up like drill bit. Fit this big yard man.
Who hurt up Aidonia head? Why am I going so strong? Why you going so strong, bro? God, who hurt up my father head? I feel somebody did this my father, I never know because I'm my father. You see me I call him man my father, so I just react to my father song that. I feel somebody hurt up Aidonia head in a dog. Make up sure go on though.
And them no think it, every show now ramp with them in kill quick. Watch this, them body last in a shit pit. If you gonna exercise them keeping fit. Room.
Them body last in a shit pit. Them lyrics say nah man in a dog. And then they put so much lyrics in a song, brother. When they put all of the lyrics them in that one song, Aidonia, right? Where y'all get more for the next song them? But I like to know that. Anyways, got you.
The double explosion, them a rush him in a taxi and I beg him hold on. Bad me. Bad. Me go anywhere go fly the pee.
One thing of the song, people, you know the comment section down below. You see me I say, and if you reach this far in the video, comment number 1 down in the comment section. Number 1. I know who I watch the video to them party. You see me I say comment number 1 down in the comment section. 1 press. Fully auto. Run it.
Rifle of work and a nice up your black. Listen, bad me.
Bad.
Me go anywhere go fly the pee bad. I rise up his trap. Big yard. Lift up the 15 let me walk go murder them.
Yeah, song bad for real, my people. I beg you know again, I don't know why I love talk so about people. Please like, comment on the video. Is me I say subscribe to the channel. We are trying to reach 10,000 subscribers. We have a bag of things that will happen for that channel, you know, people. A whole heap of things, you know. We just have 10,000 subscribers first, you know. Make we reach the 10 first, no man. We have a bag of things that will happen, you know, man. Starting next week, and I'm not normal, you know, people. Not normal, youth. Not normal.
The 15 a kick man a just muddy roll ahead. Then I watch them head on the front them up her bubbling.
Yo.
Why did? Bad.
Anyways, if big up on yourself, thanks for checking out my video. I'm gonna check out Aidonia video. See me I say it's been a boy Tyrekejt and yeah, yo, your boy Tyrekejt there. Don't pay that no mind. They don't say every Jamaican put them yo, why make you remember the name of things today, yo? Every Jamaican put them towel over them door. Anyways, wow. Let's come for show on this in a people. Hold on there. Can't show them too much, you know. Get little light. Little sis for the girls there. Alright. Be a bit of good. This will come for show on the still, as me I said. That's how my video style looks so pretty right now. You see me? You see me? You dig me? That's why the video looks so pretty right about now. The reaction them on point. You see me? I set quality up. And I'm telling you, I have the content. I have the entertainment. Well, I have to go get the quality down. You see that? Yeah, man. I said it for stay a long time. You dig me? I say. You must have said thanks for the love and support. Thanks to everybody who are coming on the video. Them. Remember, I'm telling you in the youth. 10K subscribers you go for this year in the youth. I mean business, you know. YouTube money I spend and buy that. Anything more from YouTube, I go invest it back in a YouTube. You see me? I say that my plan for do. And see it there. First thing that. Next thing I have a laptop, you know. I have a laptop, you know. I don't know. Laptop move too slow, dog. That move too slow. Someone don't know if I really. If I go buy one or fix one. You see me? I say. Or fix it. Because I want to start look more special effect in the video them. Anything on point, you know. But I don't know if I work on the quality. Make people look out for something. You see me? I say, I want to do all it more video them and I edit them, but I can't do so much things like because laptop I move. But what people want to subscribe to? Want to go subscribe to BaAD Jamaican. Want to go subscribe to 1HD image. You see me I say image music. Or HE official image on Instagram. You see me I say. Go check him out. You see me? Subscribe to Fully Charged. Check out Fully Charged music. You see me I say. Yeah man, that's the thing there. Yeah, Dimmy. Big up on yourself. God.